Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is the most common preventable risk factor for heart diseases. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure, which is defined as systolic blood pressure values of 130 mm of mercury or more, diastolic blood pressure of more than 80 mm of mercury, or both. Medications, including angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, are commonly used to reduce blood pressure levels. However, lifestyle changes, including dietary modifications, can help lower blood pressure levels to optimal ranges and reduce your risk of heart disease. Following a nutritious, heart-healthy diet is suggested for all people with high blood pressure, including those on blood pressure-lowering medications. A healthy diet is essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining optimal levels, and research has shown that including certain foods in your diet, especially those high in specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, reduces your blood pressure levels. Number 1. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, including grapefruit, oranges, and lemons, may have powerful blood pressure lowering effects. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that may help keep your heart healthy by reducing heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Number 2. Salmon and other fatty fish. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fats, which have significant heart health benefits. These fats may help reduce blood pressure levels by reducing inflammation and decreasing levels of blood vessel constricting compounds called oxalipins. Research has linked higher intakes of omega-3 rich fatty fish to lower blood pressure levels. Number 3. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a leafy green that's packed with blood pressure regulating nutrients, including potassium and magnesium. 1 cup or 145 grams of cooked chard delivers 17% and 30% of your daily potassium and magnesium needs, respectively. In people with high blood pressure, every 0.6 gram per day increase in dietary potassium is associated with a 1.0 mm Hg reduction in systolic blood pressure and a 0.52 mm Hg reduction in diastolic blood pressure. Number 4. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are rich in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, such as fiber, magnesium, and potassium. Numerous studies have shown that eating beans and lentils may help lower high blood pressure levels. Number 5. Berries. Berries have been associated with a variety of impressive health benefits, including their potential to reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Berries are a rich source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are pigments that give berries their vibrant color. Anthocyanins have been shown to increase nitric oxide levels in the blood and reduce the production of blood vessel restricting molecules, which may help reduce blood pressure levels. Number 6. Carrots. Crunchy, sweet, and nutritious, carrots are a staple veggie in many people's diets. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds, such as chlorogenic, p-coumaric, and caffeic acids, that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which may help lower blood pressure levels. Although carrots can be enjoyed cooked or raw, eating them raw may be more beneficial for reducing high blood pressure. Number 7. Tomatoes and tomato products. Tomatoes and tomato products are rich in many nutrients, including potassium and the carotenoid pigment lycopene. Number 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is known for its many beneficial effects on health, including the health of your circulatory system. For example, adding this cruciferous veggie to your diet may be a smart way to reduce blood pressure. Broccoli is loaded with flavonoid antioxidants, which may help lower blood pressure by enhancing blood vessel function and increasing nitric oxide levels in your body. Number 9. Spinach. Spinach is high in nitrates. It's also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making it an excellent choice for people with high blood pressure. The spinach soup also decreased artery stiffness, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. Along with other lifestyle modifications, adopting a healthy diet can significantly lower blood pressure levels and help reduce your heart disease risk. According to research, adding certain foods like leafy greens, berries, beans, lentils, seeds, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and carrots to your meals and snacks may help you reach and maintain optimal blood pressure levels. If you have high blood pressure levels or are looking to maintain healthy blood pressure, adding a few of the foods listed in this video to your diet may help.